In this video, we're going to be taking a look at how to customize the spine of a 3D book. Now, if we look at this closely, you'll see that that does have a good curvature to it. And so there's basically two options that you'll want to potentially use. So let's go select our book. Let's go to our text tool here, and let's type out some text. We're going to start with the letter B, and we're going to do it about 50. Okay. And I'm just going to take that little yellow cube and move it over here to our spine. Now, what I want to show you here is you see how our text is flat, does not go along the curvature of our book. However, if I choose the last option, surround projection by character, now you see that it does in fact wrap around there. So if I change the size of this to say something more manageable, you can see it does have a slight curvature to it still, and wraps around our spine. Okay, so that's what we're after. So let's go back to our text tool here, and let's type in something like Holy Bible, something like that. All right, let's take a look at it now. Now it's too big, so let's back it off here. Let's do like 15, and then we can position it left to right where we want it. And yes, that will, we can also change the thickness, but we'll leave it as is there. Be happy with that. Let me zoom in here so we can see this a little bit better. We turn off our seams, but you can see how that text is not only raised, but it's also taking on the curvature of our spine, and that's what we want. Now there's one other potential thing that you might want to do, that is not have that text raised. You might want it completely flush with the outside of your book, in which case we would use the modifier option. Okay, and so with that option, we can set the filament color to 2 for our text shape, but wherever it intersects with our book, that is where our text will be, but it'll be completely flush. So reslice the plate here, and you'll see that we have the same text that we had. It's on the curvature, but because we use modifier, it will be flush with the spine. And so that's most likely one of the other options that you would want to use, is have that text flush. Now, if I want that text to be black, I would simply change my filament color over here on the text shape in the Objects tab, and then when I reslice, then the text will, of course, be black. But otherwise, it's going to be this kind of like light yellow, just to show you that that is in modifier mode. I was looking at a couple of warnings here, and one of the warnings says that we have an extra text shape. Okay, I didn't see that extra text shape down there. It said that we had some conflicts, and I wasn't sure what conflicts it was referring to, but we had an extra text shape there. So anyhow, that is how you go about modifying the spine of your book. Just make sure that you use that surround option, but surround projection by character, and that will wrap your characters around your spine. So hopefully that helps you. Until next time, thanks for watching.